Most people in Denmark think all digital wallets are basically the same. That's where they get it wrong. Because in 2026, the wrong wallet choice can quietly cost you fees, missed rewards, and worse exchange rates without you even noticing. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best digital wallet is not just about paying quickly. It's about saving money every single time you tap, transfer, or shop online. In this video you'll learn the 10 best digital wallets in Denmark for 2026, how they actually work in real life, and which ones help you avoid hidden fees while earning rewards. By the end, you'll know exactly which wallet fits your daily spending, travel, and online shopping habits. Let's start with Denmark's most important payment system, MobilePay. This is the dominant wallet for peer-to-peer transfers, small payments, and everyday shopping. It's fast, simple, and accepted almost everywhere in Denmark. But here's the problem, it's mostly local, so it's not ideal for international spending. Now here's where it gets interesting. For global payments, many users combine MobilePay with PayPal. PayPal is widely accepted worldwide, especially for online shopping. It adds convenience, but fees and currency conversion costs can build up if you're not paying attention. For people who travel or shop internationally, Revolut is one of the strongest options. It offers multi-currency accounts, real exchange rates, and spending insights. This is where many users start saving real money on foreign transactions. Another popular choice is Wise. Wise is known for low-cost international transfers and transparent exchange rates. If you send money abroad or get paid internationally, this wallet can reduce hidden banking costs significantly. Now let's talk everyday convenience. Apple Pay is widely used across Denmark for secure tap-to-pay transactions. It works with Face ID or Touch ID, making payments fast and secure. Android users rely heavily on Google Pay, which offers similar convenience and strong integration with banks and online stores. But here's where most people miss out. Cashback and reward-focused systems like Curve let you link multiple cards and earn benefits on top of your regular spending. It's a smart layer on top of your existing wallet setup. Traditional bank apps like Danske Bank and Nordea still matter for salary, bills, and savings management, but they are not always the best for rewards or international flexibility. Now let's bring it together. Most smart users in Denmark in 2026 don't use just one wallet. They combine 3 layers. MobilePay for local transfers, Revolut or Wise for international savings, and Apple Pay or Google Pay for daily tap-to-pay convenience. And here's the final insight. The real win is not choosing the most popular wallet. It's building a system that reduces fees, increases rewards, and matches how you actually spend money. If this helped you understand your options clearly, hit like, share your setup in the comments, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you save money and make smarter financial decisions every day.